yeah, what you always like to hear, the dryer's not starting. I push the start button, it's not working. There's power to it because the light's on inside. Let's figure out what's going on with this Kenmore dryer, why it won't get going when we push the start button. Alright, so the no start on this Kenmore 700 series dryer was not the thermal fuse here, was not the start button up top, and it was not the door panel safety switch, which are some of the quickies that people tell you to kind of look for. What it ended up being was the belt was broken. Now that sounds obvious, right? But one of the things I was kind of running through my mind, I wanted to pass this along just as people are kind of thinking about how to troubleshoot this, was, well, why couldn't I hear the motor running? Like, if the belt's broken, I still should be able to hear the motor turn on, at least the blower run, so I know, like, I've got power and a few other things like that. What I discovered is that this idler pulley right here has a switch on the bottom. You see that little metal piece sticking out there? That goes into a little, like, kill switch. You hear that? So when the belt is correct and working, this is pulled up and it allows power to go to the motor, and it's part of the start circuitry, everything to run and work correctly. And that's why I couldn't hear the motor running. And again, I'm not trying to state the obvious with the belt broken, blah, blah, blah. This is more from a troubleshooting, thinking through process of trying to figure out, well, you know, why wasn't the motor running? I should at least have been able to hear the motor run, right? If the thermal switch was good, the door switch was good, you know, things like that. But discovered that other part of the circuit in there, and I just wanted to get this video out there to pass along for other people to consider, because I actually only stumbled on this through some very in-depth Google searching and finding that online. So I hope this helps somebody out. Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, all the good stuff. This is Dutch Out. Have a good day.